Well, this is just a little thank you to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and viewed our videos this year.
Watched our waffle.
There's a little montage, is that the right word?
Yes, well done, darling.
There's a little montage
Sound patronising.
of our waffle from this year, just about to follow. But
I'm quite surprised in a lockdown year how much we actually got out and did.
Yeah, we didn't do a lot of camping, purely because campsites have not been open, and when they were open I was working and I couldn't get the time off. But we managed one.
Yeah, when we went to Oxfordshire.
Yeah.
Yeah, but absolutely brilliant. Well, if you've watched it, you'll realise we had a few home comforts.
And then our bus is converted, goes in the 3rd of March.
Yes, well, hopefully when the bus is done and if some restrictions are lifted, there'll be more Waggies waffle for you to enjoy. Yes,
and then June the 1st, it won't just be Evans and Waggies waffle, will it?
Well, joining the clan.
Yeah. So
that's we're getting married. If people are watching us for the very first time and that was too cryptic.
Sorry, there's a fly in the car, and like, how has it got in? The view's back again, but that's part of another story.
It's trying to get in out the cold, I should imagine.
Yeah, so anyway, thank you very much for listening to our waffle. Little montage to follow. We will be planning where we're going. We're going to sort of get our head down and plan where we're going, start booking some campsites, start booking some leave.
Yep, I got to carry some days over. I haven't had enough leave this year.
So anyway, following is our...
I'll try not to eat and drink quite so much this coming year.
At the end of this year, we'll look back and go,
I didn't quite manage it.
So, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for subscribing. And the channel would be nothing without you watching and your comments. It really means a lot. So,
yes,
thanks.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Yes, happy New
Year.
Bye. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Makes all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Makes all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, and they know that we're calling it wrong. I mean, I know. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong.
It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it.
What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.